Hey guys, this is Dan Bowie. I'm the BMW Genius with Sharpe BMW of Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'm going to show you how to use Apple CarPlay with your BMW. So in order to get started, we are going to go to the communication tab right here, which is going to be right here. We'll click on that. We're going to want to make sure your Bluetooth device is visible. So we're going to have to go to Settings. We're going to hit Bluetooth. And now it's going to search for your device. So it should pop up right here, which it does. So we'll click on My iPhone. Now it's going to ask for a pairing request. You want to make sure that these 6 numbers match these 6 numbers that are on the vehicle, which they do. So I will go ahead and click on Pair. It's going to ask if your favorites and contacts want to sync to the vehicle. I'm going to allow this. Now on your vehicle, it's going to ask if you want to use Apple CarPlay or BMW iDrive. But for now, we're going to use Apple CarPlay. So on your phone, it'll ask if you want to use Apple CarPlay with your BMW. We'll click on Use CarPlay. So now it kind of changes to Apple CarPlay's main page, which shows you a little snippet of the map, your home address, or your points of interest up there, whatever you're playing from your phone right here, and then any calendar things that you have right here. So we'll go ahead and slide over. This is your app drawer from Apple CarPlay, so it'll show you your phone calls, your text messages, do your own maps, listen to your own music, your calendar. Over here on the second page, it will show you your third-party applications that are compatible with Apple CarPlay. So anything that you have on your phone that is compatible with this will show up on Apple CarPlay here. And then getting back to BMW, you can either click on the BMW app right here, or you can click on this menu button right here. So when you click on menu, it'll bring you back to BMW's menu. Getting back to Apple CarPlay will be at the very top right here. You just click on that and it'll bring you back. Alright guys, hopefully this helped with hooking up your BMW with Apple CarPlay, and let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me at my direct line right here or my email address.